Guys, today we're kind of out in the middle of nowhere. I'm actually at my hotel. I traveled about 4 hours away from my house to go hit up a go-kart track, Jackson County Sports Park. It's like in Medford, Oregon, and they have this event every spring and every fall, where they do the same course every time. You get 5 laps as fast as you can. So I brought my white MR2 to see how fast we can go. With that being said, I figured I should probably tell you guys why I brought Layla. It's pretty simple. I drove her here, so I didn't want to really drive turbo 4 hours and then have the damn thing break since I don't have a trailer. So I'm hoping this car can stay together and I can just focus on driving. So the event's actually 2 days long, and the first day is practice. The second day is competition day. So right now I'm gonna head to the track and get some laps in, but I gotta show you guys something real quick. As you can see, I got some tread left on my tire. I've been told you get so many laps in, or you can get so many laps in, that it's possible that you can just go through a set of tires in the weekend. So that's pretty exciting, because with most autocross events, you don't get that. So I'm pretty stoked on that possibility. So kind of in a rush, got here a little late. I didn't even film me teching, driver's meeting, or anything, unloading. So I did all that crap. Right now I'm actually in staging. Like I said, I was in a rush, but car's warming up. I'm gonna mount the GoPro so you guys can see how I drive. Now this really sucks. There's an issue out on the track, which isn't a big deal because that kind of gives me more time to look over the car real quick, adjust tire pressure, stuff like that. But on the other hand, I get really anxious because I start thinking about everything, and then when I start overthinking about everything, I psych myself out. So I wish they could hurry up. I totally understand though. They got to clean up the track and then we'll get to go out. I wish it would be sooner. I just realized I didn't show you guys the track, so here it is. It's a go-kart track out like in the middle of nowhere. That first run was fucking awesome. Obviously I overdrove it, I spun the car out, but I got really comfortable really quick. I think next time I go out though, I'm gonna maybe relax a little bit, focus on getting better lines, smoother with the inputs, and I think I should be able to get a quicker time. Actually don't know what my time is, but not concerned, I'll figure that out later. Looks like it's about time for me to go out again, and I like to set goals, as I've mentioned before, but I don't think I'm going to this time. I think I'm just gonna go out there and send it. As much as I love going fast, I love just sliding the car and slinging it around even more. So that's what I'm gonna do. Holy fuck, that last run was so much fun. The car did everything I wanted. Yeah, I actually asked my friend what time I got, and I got like a high 55 for my best lap, which I'm pretty stoked on. And I know I didn't care, but I'm really competitive. It's like a constant battle I have with myself. Like one side, my logical side, says, what's your time? Are you beating everyone? F those guys. Like metaphorically speaking, it's just competition. And then the other side of me, my like heart says, have fun. So it's a constant battle. I mean, it's fun either way, but you know. Anyhow, we're gonna go back out there and have some more fun. Let's see if she holds together.
I blew one here in the WSR 2 years ago, big time.
Oh, you blew up your engine?
Big time.
Oh, all over the track?
No, it all stayed internal, but it actually pushed rods from one cylinder to the other. It was a mess.
I've never seen that. I've blown a couple rods through the oil pan and engine block, but never
Sideways.
Never
I haven't
sideways?
seen that before either.
Holy shit. Come off. Huh? I said, did it come off? Didn't come off. No. Woo. Now, come on, car. Holy fuck, that last lap was amazing. Especially the spin. I honestly thought I was gonna catch that, but apparently not. That's just the way it goes. So it looks like that's my last practice session, or practice lap, I don't know what the fuck you call it. My last go out for today. And then, so I'm gonna go home or go to my hotel, relax, and then tomorrow it's competition day. So we'll pick back up then. Guys, it's the next morning and gonna head to the track. I'm actually one of the very first people that run, so I'm literally gonna get there, unload. We got drivers meeting as usual, then line right up. I don't think I explained this, but the way the format works is you do 5 laps as fast as you can. They total up the time. Obviously, fastest time wins. With that being said, let's head to the track. Oh, holy shit, guys. So we're here at the track. Pretty much right now, I just have to unload all of this crap, and then I'm just gonna go staging and we're gonna go. I feel pretty comfortable with the track. Like, I've never driven at this track before this event, but it's really similar to like an autocross course. So I feel really comfortable is the point. Pretty much the biggest thing is there's a long straightaway into a sweeping right hand, then a tight left turn. And in that straightaway, I shift to third, and then after the sweeping right hand turn, I shift to second. And for whatever reason, that's just really scary to me mentally. So I don't know, I just feel like if I can overcome that, I'll be able to put down a respectable time given the car and my skill level. So fuck, I guess let's just get it. Well, it turns out we have some extra time, so I'll go show you guys the track in some detail. Here's a good landscape view of the track. It's pretty big. Anyways, let's go down to the straightaway. Oh, I'm actually at the corner right now that I mentioned that scares the crap out of me for whatever reason. So this is the thing that scares me. It's a long straightaway that goes into a sweeping right hand turn, and you have to maintain as much speed as possible. This is going to be a defining moment for me. I hope this shows things better. So straight, sweeping right hand turn. Towards the end here, we got some cones, and those cones, I actually have to downshift to second and then go to that sharp left hand turn right there. Here's the end of the right hand turn, and then here's the sharp left. So like normally it's not too big of a deal to do like a heel toe downshift, but again, for whatever reason, going into this turn, I get really scared. I mean, I'm probably doing like 65. I want to maintain as much speed as possible. But it's just really scary because there's so much body roll. So I feel like the car's not going to hold it, but the tires do communicate okay, and they're okay with a little bit of slip. So the tires I know are good, but the body roll just psychs me out. So it's just a really scary one for me. The rest of the track though I feel okay with. I got the lines down for the most part. So it's just a matter of going out there, doing my thing, and then hoping for the best, I guess. I mean, I will say since I'm going first and it's really cold this morning, I think that's gonna slow me down a bit. But if I could stay like under, I don't know, like 4 minutes and 45 seconds for like all 5 laps, I'll be pretty happy. Hey guys, just setting up the camera. On an unrelated note, it turns out I'm literally the very first one to go up today. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but no one else is in staging yet, so yay.
Slippery.
Oh, fuck! Holy shit! That was, man. Holy fuck, that was amazing. I don't know what my time is. I haven't checked it, but that was so much fun. I'm gonna go check my time and then we'll be back up. But fuck, that was better than sex. For those of you who don't do this type of stuff, you gotta give it a shot, because holy shit, that's a rush. So checked my time, and the best was my total time was 4:36 clean, which is pretty awesome. Hey guys, so just got back home, and holy shit, this weekend was pretty damn epic. First off, the car did really good. Literally rotated, did whatever I wanted for the most part. Obviously, when I spun out a few times, that was on me just over driving the car, but picked up the track really quick. I'm fortunate that my buddy George, he actually gave me pointers, told me what lines to take, so that shortened up that learning curve pretty damn drastically. So like I said, my best time was 4:36. That, I'm pretty sure I won my division. I think I left time on the table in just terms of that straightaway to the right hand sweeper. Like, I feel like I could have maintained more speed. I just got I got psyched up. I don't care. I had so much fun. I definitely plan on doing that again next year. So I guess with that being said, hope you guys enjoy the video, and as always, have a good day.